It's doing something. It's right. It's gone through to our 10. It's got to our 10 points quite easily. Now, do we stick in or do we come out? Right, we're in this trade now. Just put in a sell. It is reacting a bit flippant at the moment, but it seems to be okay. Just got in because of these signals here. We've got a sell signal just after the London Stock Exchange opened. The London Stock Exchange opened here. We got a sell signal and we jumped in because it reacted to this moving day average here. It just reacted to it. So I thought, let's just jump in. We're going to put our stop, our hard stop up here, but our actual stop is just above this moving day average right here. We are looking to receive from this maybe 10 points. So around this area here, this is where we're looking at initially. So that's 69.36. This is where we're looking for initially. Around here. We just wanted to get to a new low first, but there seems to be quite a bit of money on the table. If we go to the hour chart, you can see this area here. There's a lot of money just hanging around just here, this area here. Colossal amount of money because people have put in some buy orders here. They put in buy orders and they've gone up and followed it up. They're expecting this to retrace and then continue up. That's what the logic is. So let me just draw in, because there's a lot of money down here. A lot. Right, there's money there. And there's money up here as well. So we are vulnerable as well. It depends on what they are thinking. Both of these areas of money can get got. So we are not sure where they're going to go. But because we've got a sell signal, that's what we're going for. We're looking for the sell signal. It's been going down 47 points overnight. So we're just hoping that it still continues its descent. But the way it's looking, it's possible that we are on the right side of the market. But it's early days, so this can switch. If it switches, I'm switching with it. We've only got about 10 points at risk. I like the way the color of the candle's going. If it turns dark red, then it's even better for us. It hasn't gone beyond this low though. I really do want it to go beyond this low before I can say, yeah, I think it's going to do something, because it can also bounce back and just react, because we've got a few signals at the moment. So we have to just keep an eye on it just to make sure that it can go down where we want it to go. But like I said, there is money in those two areas. Those two areas which I pointed out on the 1 hour chart, there's money. This one is 100 points away and this one's 100 points away. There's nothing in it. So it depends on how they feel and where they want to target. We're only looking for 10 points at the moment, but depending on the ferocity of these candles will depend on how long we're staying in the market for. So let's just see and monitor it and see what happens. We've got a hard stop of about 30 points, but no way is it going to reach there. That's just a safety precaution, just in case the market spikes out on us or something like that. But our stop is around this area here, around here. So if I'm looking at 100 points, let's have a look. What's 100 points from here? Yeah, it's 80 points is around here. So let's draw a box around this area here. That's the area. If we can get anywhere near that area, that's great. But we're not looking for that right now. We're just looking to get past this first milestone here. As you can see, there's bullish candles coming up. It's giving us a new low, which is good. It gave us a new low, but it reacted to the new low. It's reacted to that new low. So we just have to wait and see. 98% spent on the candle. It's rejecting the 9-day moving average, which is good. The bullish candle's small. Let's see if this one turns into a nice sell. It should sell, come down 10 points maybe. Let's see if it just continues its descent. That's all we want right now. We're expecting something of that nature. We're expecting it to just keep going down, just creeping down, like it's been doing all night. Go back to the hour chart. You can see that we're actually forming a sell signal on the hourly chart right here. This is a sell signal right there. Whether that's going to actually be conclusive or not is a different matter. I don't know. But if it passes this moving day average here, if it passes it, then it's a good sign. It means that there's a 70-80% chance they're targeting these guys here. Earlier on this week, we had this kind of setup here. As you can see, there's been a lot of and ahhing in this area. Not much has been going on. I believe that they were targeting these people then, but I also stated that I don't think there's much money there for them to target, which is true, because I think it was around this area they were going to we were thinking they were going to gun for this area, these stops area here. They were targeting for these boys, but there wasn't enough money. So that was a rough week. There was nothing really going on. There was no oomph. There was no momentum, nothing. So now I can see there is a lot of money here. There's a lot of money in this area here. And because of this massive upsurge during the rest of the week, I could see people putting their money down here, believing that the market's bounced back. This has reached the bottom. Before I talk anymore, let's go back to the 5-minute chart. It's doing something. It's right. It's gone through to our 10. It's got to our 10 points quite easily. Now, do we stick in or do we come out? I'm going to come out. Yeah, why not? We wanted 10 points. We got 10 points. We got 12. I'm out. That's it. It's done. I could take more, but we got 12. That's it. It's done. It's done. You don't need to stay in it all the time. I could stay in and get 20, 30, 40, but I wanted 10. I got 12. What's the problem? I know there's a lot of money on the table there, and we done our calculations that it's looking to go for these boys. That's 80 points from here. It is very possible. However, I am not sure what it's going to do, because as you saw, it's kind of in the middle of the park. It might go up, it might go down. We wanted 10 points, we got 12. What's the problem? We can always go back in. If we get a signal to go back in, we'll go back in, but maybe at a smaller lot size. This will ensure that we protect the money that we've made already. And that's it. That's all you have to do. 12 points is more than enough. So it was a quick one today, and that's all we need. We don't need anything more than that. But I will keep an eye on it to see if we can actually get back in the market if we wish to, because we're believing it's going to go down maybe 90 points today. That's what we're believing. We're believing that this box here is its target area. That's what we're believing. We risked 10, got 12. That's it. That's all we need to do. We don't need to do anything more than that. If you have any questions, or you want me to do a particular video, or if there's something you need to be taught, let me know. I'm here to help. So drop me a comment, drop me a like, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Let's do this together. Let's break this. Let's make this work for each other. Until next time.